Hello everyone, my name is Terengineer and welcome back to Let's Say, and so thanks for 200 plus subscribers. Yeah guys, we did it. Yeah, so now merge is now available, so here, so I just put a new for the merge is string text and string elements. Yeah, so then here's I just doing the mug. This is my logo, and you can see the just behind there, just t-shirt for the behind. This is what is a Terengineer here, so you can check. Good is behind, yeah. Alright, so then just thanks for string that and for the just helping for this inbound. This logo is just going from just make sure for the doesn't. This is just not good. Okay, not good. Alright, so string elements here and it's only a mouse pad. Because this t-shirt's background just I can't use that, damn it. What the hell is going on? It's only a mouse pad. Actually, no gaming mouse pad. Here and here's a, for the dollars is downstairs here, and there's something I got for the. Just make sure about for this. Here the spot of the bus is over there, and right, I forgot for this with my custom sounds with a Team Forces 2 over there. So in my Google Drive here, just link in description for the down below. Right, so then thanks for watching everyone. Hope you guys in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. But as always, I will see you in the next time. Bye bye.